Welcome to Unit 7, Kokomo, Caloundra. Location is key here. It's just a short, leisurely stroll to both Bullcock and Kings Beach, which offers the very best of both worlds. Surf, sand, rock pools, beautiful walkways, parks, fishing and shops. In need of a little cosmetic TLC, the unit has 2 bedrooms, master with its own ensuite and sunny balcony, main bathroom with combined laundry, open plan kitchen, dining and spacious living area, which flows out onto the wide balcony with gorgeous views to Happy Valley and the Palmerstone Passage. The resort-style pool is perfect to finish off the day, and the unit also offers a lock-up garage. With so many great features, this is the perfect unit to invest in. Inspect today so you don't miss out.